Hi there, it's Uncle Laurie here, and it's Sunday the 1st of September, which is the first day of spring here, and it's also Father's Day. Father's Day here in Australia, in Australian territories, and also New Zealand. I'm not sure where else it might be Father's Day, but happy Father's Day to all those and sundry. Fathers, grandfathers, great-grandfathers. I'm probably in the sort of grandfather range, being 72 in about a month. So, happy Father's Day to me. Anyway, it's mid-morning here, about 10:30, and we're going to do a shave. Right, so it's also the year of the dragon, the year of the green dragon, or the wood dragon. So I have Hendrix Classics Co, the year of the dragon. And the dragon is a green dragon on that label, called the wood element dragon. There's 4 elements, I think, or 5 elements in the Chinese system. And it's a powerful woody, no, not woody, spicy, leathery, oudy, darkish scent to me. Almost smoky, but I don't think there's any smoke in there. But this, I'll leave the ingredient list and scent profile here for your perusal. Well, that's what we're using today. And I'm also born in the year of the dragon, would you believe? I was born in the year of the water dragon though, 1952. Alright then, let's get what else we're using. Frank shaving. We're using what I call the dog knob handle design, made of horn, or synthetic horn that is. And in there it's got a 22mm, so it's a small brush, 22mm set to 54mm loft, synthetic Pur-Tec knot. This is one of their earlier knots from Frank Shaving. So I'll just stick that in my mug to get wet. It doesn't need to soak, it just needs to get wet. You can just dip it in the sink if you wanted to. And the bowl we're using my soup bowl, because I like to use this big soup bowl when I've got a small handle. It doesn't bang the sides. And I've already got a quarter teaspoon in there, about 1.6 grams, squashed in, and a teaspoon of water over the top. It's quite a softish texture soap, so that's what we use. And now we'll put the pre-shave on. I'll go into the razor when we start off the shave. It's the same razor as the last shave anyway. And today for pre-shave, instead of my soap, I'm going to use Nivea Men Sensitive Cream. I said in a few of the previous shaves that you can use a cream. It can be a lathering cream or a non-lathering cream as your pre-shave. This is a lathering cream, but I'm only putting a little bit on. And it's got that typical fresh Nivea scent to it. A bit of water on it. So this just cleans the skin and prepares the beard. Alright, we'll just leave that on. And we'll go and produce the lather. Alright, we're here at the overhead cam As you can see, it's been blooming there probably about 5 minutes. Doesn't need to be long, especially with a softish soap like this. And whether you bloom or not bloom, just purely optional. So I'll give the brush a squeeze, a couple of shakes. So I'm starting, you can see, just damp. And we'll get started. Okay, we're back from reducing out lather, and it's a lovely, nice lather. A few more bubbles than I'm used to, but I'm sure it'll beat down on the face. Beautiful scent. I'm starting to like this scent. I'm not really a darkish scent fan, but I'm starting to like it. Alright, let's really wet the face. Maybe I like it because I do like some oud. Alright, here we go. Nice. Oh, the leather's nice. Once I massage it in, it'll be fine. You see, look at that lather at the neck there. Bubbles don't really matter as long as they're not too glassy looking. Okay. Yeah, it looks got a good sheen on it. Not super shiny. I put the whole 20 mils of water in there, so it should be plenty of well hydrated. So I'll just put a bit of alum on my fingers, ready for the razor. And the razor we're using is the Shield Aventer AC2, which is AC2 is the wider cap. The newer one is a skinny cap that looks like a bit like a vector, but it has the same specs. It's 1.15mm blade gap and 0.12mm exposure. I've got a Pro Guard blade in there from Feather on its 4th use. So we go down the face. Nice short strokes, and I shave close to the cap because this is a quite aggressive razor for me. Short strokes. Trying to keep it close to the cap. Very nice, very slick. So, as usual, yeah, that feels nice on the skin, that leather. Beautiful. So, those little extra bubbles didn't make any difference. Well, I didn't really wet the face, hang on. So, I did this last time. It just adds to the next pre-shave. Just mix it up with that water upon my face. Just gonna make it extra slick. No problem with the lather at all. Okay, across the grain we're going. So my own father passed away about 10 years ago now, probably a little bit longer. He lived to 91. And he was a great dad. I forgot to mention I changed the handle on this razor to this aluminium one. The original handle is this titanium SE handle it's called. I found it just a little skinny and I started to get cramp in my fingers when I was using it. Otherwise it was alright. So you're getting a couple of weepers here. The last use on this blade. What are we doing? Across the grain? Just feeling a little tuggy on this blade, which is about normal for me. I get 4 or 5 shaves on this Pro Guard blade. Soap's very nice on the skin. I forgot to only use my left hand, so I have to re-alum this hand. Yes, I'm attracted, because I'm born in the year of the dragon, I'm attracted to soaps that feature the dragon in the name or in the profile or in the whatever. Very nice. Here we go, last pass, probably the last pass. South to north. Yes, just tugging a little bit. Should be no tugging on the last pass. It's not painful tugging, just, you know, a little bit. I'm trying to be gentle at the lower neck here. As you can see, I've got a few weepers on this throat area. Glasses off for this bit. Very nice. Okay, glasses off again. Plenty of slickness on this soap. I won't go against the grain on the moustache area because of the blades sort of dulling up. Sort of go across a little bit. That'll do. Not too much yanking. You see at least 2 weepers there. I don't see anywhere else, just in that throat area there. Oh, don't need any touch-ups, so we'll leave it at that. Let's rinse off. Let's give it a quick alum check. Yeah, a bit of stinging. 1, 2, a couple of 3s along this neck area. Chin's okay. No more than 1 around the face. It's alright, not bad. For a dulling blade, that's pretty good. Just put a bit of extra on those weepers. Alright then. I'll just leave that on for a little bit, a few seconds or so. Counting down the time. Alright then, rinse it off. Don't need to leave it on too long because I'm going to take a shower after this anyway. Alright, leftover lather. Heaps! Look at that. And there's still more in the bowl. Alright, I'll put this on my face. Go and have my shower. Come back for a post shave. Wonderful shave. Smooth, clean. Just a few weepers there. There was another one just there. And a couple here. But there's no irritation showing up, so very nice shave. So we'll start off with a bit of T. Dickinson's witch hazel, tea tree oil and menthol crystals. Give it a good shake. Yeah. No feeling of stings or anything, so good shave. Although that blade is on its last leg, so I'll put that in my recycle bin. And we'll follow that up with a bit of Nivea Men Sensitive Pro facial balm, just the 1 squirt. Very nice in the back of the neck. And for a splash, I don't actually have a splash, I've got a cologne cream. Oud. From Zenix. I don't know what company that is. Canada, I think. No, Istanbul, was it? Istanbul. Anyway, give it a squirt. Not a strong scent. Nice, now I can smell. Nice oody scent. Matches the soap quite nicely. Put on the elbows, wrist. Alright, that's my shave for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Cheers!